Welcome to the Grade 7 Visual Arts presentation. I'm one of 3 art teachers at the upper school in Frankfurt International School. My name is Jessica Russo-Scher, and here's a quick look at our classroom spaces. We have 3 designated art studios in the upper school, and they all are equipped with similar facilities. Grade 7 Visual Arts is a semester-long class that meets 3 times during our 8-day cycle rotation. All of our resources for our class are kept on Canvas. This is where you'll find general information about the class, your assessments, and you will also see all the unit planners, including infographics with all of the assessment criteria and instructional videos. We will provide the art supplies for all of our projects, but the students need to make sure they bring their sketchbook and their laptop. That sketchbook can be shared with another art class, so don't worry if you're taking another class, you can use the same book. In grade 7, we start to learn about how art can be transformed from realism into abstract and the different stages to achieve that in order to gain meaning throughout the artwork. The students will learn how to communicate their feelings through line and shading and value. We will start off the semester learning about value, scale, and proportion, and how those influence the development of an artwork and the composition. After that, we'll start moving on to line and how line can be expressive and create a sort of abstraction in meaning when we use it to create value. We'll do this through a variety of different projects and a different media. Then we'll completely remove line from the equation and work with value as a silhouette, as a shape, to help create a sense of space and depth. One of the highlights of the semester is our dry point printmaking project.
Okay, what's up the bottom now? Music starts playing. Good job.
Here are some examples of some of the portraits that have been created, and you can see how the lines show a little bit of the character and personality of each of the students. I will create lots of demonstrations to help them with the different techniques and skills along the way. They will practice them in their sketchbook and experiment to help build their understanding. Throughout the semester, I encourage creativity and critical reflection on their work to help them develop as an artist. I will present art history throughout to help support what we're learning and talk about how art history has developed throughout time and reflects things that we've been learning in class. Feedback is provided throughout each project, verbally in class from the teacher, and also in the final grade. And that's just a quick overview. If you have any further questions, please reach out. I would love to answer any of the questions you might have.